Hey guys, how's it going? So, what we're going to do now is learn about flex wrap. When we give our container, this, we give it flex wrap. The default is no wrap. That's what we have been using up until now. And if we have no wrap on it, they will just keep on going, right? So what we want is for when each of our items, when our items, oopsie daisy, there we go. Whoa, excuse me. What's going on here? Oh, okay. So when our items get to the end, let's do that. So I've given each one of these Flexbox items a set width. And I gave it flex grow 0, flex shrink 0. So as soon as it gets to the end of a row, it will wrap down and create a new one. Okay? Wrap down, create a new one. And so I also want to let you know that this can also be, I almost didn't do this video. I almost didn't do it because this type of scenario, it might be better handled using grid layout. You can do a Google search for CSS Grid Layout and you'll see what I mean, but it mainly handles it pretty well. So I put justify content center, align item center, and then what I did was I gave the flex grow property a 0, flex shrink a 0, and auto, I said, hey, go get the width. Now, I could have also just put 250 pixels right here as well. That would have, it'd have the same result, right? Or excuse me, I could have put 250 pixels here and just done this, because right now our flex basis is the width, right? So at any rate, so no matter what happens, each one of these flex items, this one, they're going to have exactly 250 pixels, and they're not going to get none of this free space. None of this free space here, none of this free space here is going to be taken and allocated to any of our child items. It's just going to be left alone, and it's going to stay at 250 pixels. Now, if you wanted to use well, I'm not going to, I'll just stick with this. So I think it's pretty straightforward. And you'll notice that the child items themselves also have a display flex, so that this image here and this text here are going to be laid out using Flexbox as well, right? And I said space evenly row, and then all the way down the text, then the text itself, I decided to give that div a display flex as well. So you can see we've got flex boxes within flex boxes. And so I just thought I would touch on this.